Linking your bank account to Upwork is essential for receiving payments for your freelance work. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account to your Upwork profile. Step 1. Log into your Upwork account. Start by visiting the Upwork website and logging into your account using your credentials. Ensure you have access to your account to proceed with the linking process. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the upper right corner to access the drop-down menu. Select Settings from the options to enter your account settings. Step 3. Go to Get Paid section. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Add a payment method. In the Get Paid section, look for the option to add a payment method. Click on Add Method and choose Bank Account from the list of available options. Step 5. Enter your bank details. Fill in the required fields with your bank account information, including your account number and routing number. Review the information for accuracy, then submit the details to complete the linking process. After completing these steps, your bank account will be linked to your Upwork account, allowing you to receive payments seamlessly. Make sure to verify your account to ensure everything is set up correctly.